Let's track how your ads are performing, right from the Quick Ads dashboard. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Ads, then select Dashboard. Here, you'll see your top KPIs at a glance: impressions, total reach, clicks, engagement, ad spend, cost per click, and leads. Check your audience and performance breakdowns, like gender, top channel by clicks, and top campaigns by clicks. Scroll down to view recent campaigns and the contacts generated, so you know exactly what's driving results right now. You can also dive into detailed charts and performance trends over time, helping you spot patterns and opportunities. That's it. Your full ad performance picture is clear at a glance. Use these insights to optimize targeting, refine creative, and adjust budget for better results.